Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix message failed to send on iPhone. So guys, once you are going to send the message to someone and showing the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings app. Now from here guys, just simply have to make sure that you are properly connected to the internet. For that you have to go to Wi-Fi and just simply have to turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it on again, and then you have to forget the network and try to rejoin it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off. Once you have done this guys, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon seeing this guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to general. Now from here guys, you have to tap on date and time. So from here guys, you have to make sure that both of these toggles are turned on. Then go back, and after that you have to go to VPN and device management and make sure that you're not connected with VPN. Once you have done this guys, close this page and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings again. Then you have to locate for the message. Now from here guys, you have to turn on iMessage. Okay guys, now from here guys, you have to scroll it down, tap on keep messages, and from here you have to check on forever. Okay guys, once you have done this guys, close this page and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open setting, scroll it down, tap on general, and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply have to update your device to the latest version. Now open settings again, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone. Now from here you have to reset your network setting and then force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.